How to fix CIH app not working. If the CIH mobile banking app isn't working on your device, there could be various reasons for this. The first thing to check is the internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa. If you're using any sort of VPN or proxy settings, make sure to disable those as well. If you're using the CIH app on your Android, long press the app icon on your Android, then tap on this I button that says App Info, which will take you to the app information page, followed by storage usage, clear cache, and clear the data. On iPhone, you can simply choose to offload the app. Now go to your Play Store or your App Store, and in the search bar, just type in CIH Mobile. Check if the CIH Mobile app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. And make sure the CIH Bank is available in your country and works, because if it's not available in your country, you won't be able to find it out. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.